Welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to use the aggregate node. The aggregate node basically takes multiple items and puts them into one. So, for example, let's take this code node. In this code node, I made this code that basically gives us random numbers. So, if you execute it, as we can see, we got 5 numbers. So, 5 numbers, each number is an item, so 5 items, as we can see here. But with the aggregate, since we now have 5 items, we want to get 1 item. So, if we execute it, boom, we got 1 item with each number. So, that's how the aggregate node works. Now, why is this useful? Well, let's take an example. So for this example, I just took the same code node, as you can see, and directly put it into the agent. So if we go here, we got random numbers again, and if we go into the agent, I told them to just count the number. As you can see, it returned 5 items. Each item is for the previous item. So if we disconnect this and put it back here, of course we disconnect this and put it back here, and we just execute it. As you can see, it returned 1 item with counting all of the numbers. So that's how the aggregate node works. It's simple, but it's very powerful depending on your workflow. Hope you guys enjoyed and found this helpful. Goodbye.